Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your neighborhood property with community associations step by step clearly. Start by researching the characteristics and needs of your neighborhood. Identify the residents who may be interested in forming a community association. Organize an initial meeting to discuss the benefits of a community association. Gather input from community members about concerns related to property protection. Discuss potential goals and objectives for the association. Create a preliminary outline of the association's structure and leadership roles. Draft a mission statement that reflects the association's goals. Explore existing community associations in nearby neighborhoods for inspiration. Decide on the legal framework and necessary registration for the association. Develop a set of governing documents, including bylaws and community guidelines. Encourage community members to review and provide feedback on these documents. Host a formal voting session to approve the governing documents. Establish a board of directors to lead the association. Organize regular meetings to keep members informed and engaged. Implement a communication plan to share updates and gather feedback. Consider initiating projects aimed at enhancing property values and neighborhood safety. Collaborate with local law enforcement to address crime prevention strategies. Foster community involvement by organizing events and neighborhood gatherings. Establish a system for reporting property maintenance issues and concerns. Regularly review the association's goals and adjust strategies as needed. Create an avenue for conflict resolution among community members. Promote a sense of community pride and ownership within the neighborhood. Encourage members to participate in community cleanups or improvement projects. Share successes and positive outcomes of the association with residents. Reinforce the importance of community members being proactive in protecting property. Build partnerships with local businesses and organizations for additional resources. Evaluate the effectiveness of the association's initiatives annually. Continue to engage residents and adapt to changing community needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.